Welcome to Module 1, Security Management. In this session, we begin Chapter 6, Ethics and Legal Considerations. As certified protection professionals, our responsibilities extend beyond physical protection and risk management. We are expected to operate with integrity, professionalism, and a clear understanding of legal boundaries. In this chapter, we will explore the ethical principles and legal frameworks that guide security professionals toward responsible decision-making and organizational compliance. Chapter 6 focuses on the moral foundations, legal requirements, and leadership responsibilities that shape professional security practice. Ethics influences how we make decisions, especially in complex situations where policies may not provide a clear answer. Legal considerations define what we must do to remain compliant with laws and regulations. Together, ethics and legal standards support corporate governance, accountability, and long-term organizational success. A strong ethical culture enhances credibility, protects reputation, and strengthens trust within and outside the organization. Ethics is a discipline of moral principles that governs human action. It deals with questions of right and wrong and the standards that guide behavior. As noted by philosopher Blanchard and Peale, three essential questions can help guide ethical conduct. Is it legal? Is it balanced and fair to all parties? And how will it make me feel about myself? Ethics includes descriptive ethics, which explains behavior, normative ethics, which defines standards of right and wrong, and applied ethics, which focuses on real-world decision-making. For security professionals, ethical judgment is critical in maintaining trust, fairness, and professional integrity. Business ethics applies at three important levels: society, the organization, and the individual. At the societal level, ethics reflects laws, cultural norms, and public expectations. At the organizational level, it includes corporate values, policies, and governance structures. At the individual level, it guides personal conduct and decision-making. Ethical conflicts may arise when pressures at one level influence another. As security professionals, we must recognize these layers and ensure our decisions align with legal standards, organizational values, and personal integrity. History provides powerful examples of ethical failures in business. Major corporate scandals have demonstrated how poor decisions, weak oversight, and compromised leadership can lead to serious legal and reputational consequences. These cases remind us that unethical behavior often begins with small compromises that escalate over time. The ethics dilemma occurs when individuals face competing pressures: profit versus principle, loyalty versus legality. Understanding these patterns helps us identify warning signs early and reinforce a culture of accountability and transparency. Poor ethical choices rarely happen in isolation. They may result from lack of awareness, pressure to meet targets, workplace culture, or rationalization of misconduct. Sometimes individuals fail to recognize ethical issues, while in other cases, silence or fear prevents them from speaking up. Studies show that factors such as workplace silence and motivated blindness contribute to unethical outcomes. Recognizing these influences allows organizations to strengthen training, encourage reporting, and create environments where ethical concerns can be raised without fear of retaliation. An ethical organization does not rely on intentions alone; it establishes formal codes and programs. A strong code of ethics typically includes leadership commitment, clear organizational values, defined standards of conduct, and accountability mechanisms. Ethics programs may also include training, reporting systems, and enforcement procedures. When leadership consistently models ethical behavior and reinforces standards, employees are more likely to follow. Building an ethical organization strengthens trust, reduces legal exposure, and enhances long-term sustainability. The future of business depends on stronger ethical leadership and corporate responsibility. Organizations are increasingly expected to demonstrate transparency, social responsibility, and sound governance. Ethical behavior is not just a compliance requirement, it is a strategic advantage. Companies that prioritize integrity build stronger relationships with stakeholders, customers, and regulators. For security practitioners, promoting ethical culture means leading by example, supporting accountability, and aligning protection strategies with broader organizational values. Legal considerations are equally critical for security professionals. Understanding statutory law, case law, and regulatory requirements ensures that security operations remain compliant and defensible. Security practitioners must be aware of issues such as use of force, investigations, privacy, and emerging technology-related laws. Operating within legal boundaries protects both the organization and the professional. As we conclude Chapter 6 on ethics and legal considerations, remember that integrity and legal awareness form the foundation of professional security practice. Thank you for your attention. If you found this presentation valuable for your CPP preparation or professional growth, please like and subscribe for more security management content.